It's an exciting time to start your business. Just getting started, whether you're thinking about it, your first year is going to be the most exciting time in your business. You're getting after it, you're working hard, you're building your customer base. That's going to be the most exciting time. But don't forget, there will come a time, usually about that 9 to 12 month mark, where you're going to sit back and say, why am I doing this? Because to hit that peak, you're getting tired. You got to come up with your why. Why am I doing this? If your why is strictly money, just to make all the money you can, I don't think that's strong enough. Your why needs to be bigger than that. Your why needs to be so I can serve others, so I can take care of my family, so I can leave generational wealth to my kids and grandkids, great-grandkids. You need a bigger why than just make money.